You may have heard about Candy Chutes as a simple DIY project that may help you maintain social distancing this Halloween. I'm Spencer Harp from the Mechanical Engineering Department, and today I'll show you a simple and easy way to make one from parts from your local hardware store. This piece here is a piece of PVC tubing. This is 4-inch PVC pipe. You can go to any one of your local hardware stores and grab this, along with different elbows or 45-degree fittings to allow some unique configurations. The most traditional method of installation of this particular type of candy tube is just to grab a piece of 4-inch PVC and a 4-inch 90-degree fitting, and then attach this to a handrail or banister. Now, obviously, you'd want to paint this up and make it a little more festive, and then you would just deposit your candy into the top, and it would come out the end. The main thing here is to maintain a distance, between you and the trick-or-treaters, and using prepackaged candy and your traditional safe handling techniques, associated with Halloween and candy dispersion. Other things to consider when doing the process is using of gloves, safe handling of the candy itself. Again, using prepackaged stuff, and these items like zip ties and masking tape will really come in handy when attaching to non-traditional surfaces. Like if you don't have a handrail or a banister of sorts, if you have a column out in front of your house, you could use tape to attach it to your column, and then take and but just use a masking tape, a blue masking tape or something, or painter's tape that doesn't leave a residue behind. If you guys use duct tape, you could potentially damage the surface of the column, etc. A packaging tube, same concept. It's a cylindrical tube. Obviously, this would be a recycled piece. You'd have to have one of these laying around or know someone with one. But the same thing can be applied there. You would just tape it up to your banister or handrail, put the candy in one end, and maintain 6 feet or more during this festive season. All right, I'm here in the manufacturing engineering laboratory. We're lucky enough to have a handrail here that'll work great to demonstrate the installation. It's kind of difficult for a one-man job, but the basics behind it is you're going to use the zip ties I mentioned earlier. Secure one end on the banister, and then pull the zip tie tight. And then on the other end, do the same thing. We just keep pushing it back just a little bit, get it in position. You have to prop it up. But these zip ties, they just easily, they slide into each other and create a semi-rigid attachment there. You can sure it up with some tape or something a little later, but at the end of the day, you're just going to pull the zip tie tight, and now you've got a properly fastened candy chute.